Hello dear students, so now today we would move ahead in the second chapter of class 8th mathematics, that is powers. So here I have some new questions for you. Question number first is, if x is equals to 3 by 2 whole raised to the power 2 and 2 by 3 multiply 2 by 3 whole raised to the power minus 4, find the value of x raised to the power minus 2. Means the value of x you have been given, so you have to find out the value of x raised to the power minus 2. So let's solve this. X is how much? X is 3 by 2 raised to the power 2 multiply. This is 2 by 3 whole raised to the power minus 4. So I can make this power positive if I am writing the reciprocal of the inside one fraction. It is 2 by 3. I am writing it 3 by 2. So power would become positive. Okay. Now x would be equals to how much? Now if you see, both are having the same base. This is also 3 by 2 and this is also 3 by 2. Both are having the same base. So if base is same, the powers or the exponents are going to be added then. That you might be knowing. We have already done. Like if it is a raised to the power m multiply a raised to the power n. So I can write it as a raised to the power m plus n. Are you getting this? So similarly you can write this also as 3 by 2 whole raised to the power 2 plus 4. We have to add the powers. So value of x would be how much? It would be 3 by 2 whole raised to the power 6 would be there. Okay. But you have to find out the value of x raised to the power minus 2. So value of x you have. Value of x you have. How much is the value of x? This much is the value of x. So value of x raised to the power minus 2 would be how much? If I am writing here minus 2, so here also I would multiply by minus 2 because this is 1. I am multiplying by, this was 1 here, na? So I was multiplying it by minus 2. So similarly here also I would multiply by minus 2. So I would be writing it as multiply minus 2. Are you getting this? Very good. Now how would you solve this? X raised to the power minus 2 would be equals to 3 by 2 raised to the power 6 to the 12. It would be minus 12. Okay. If you can make this power positive also. So it implies value of x raised to the power minus 2 would be equals to, I can write it as 2 by 3. How much? 2 by 3 raised to the power 12. Power would become 12. I have written the reciprocal of the inside one fraction there. Are you getting this? So this is how we would find out the answer of the given question. Okay. So just note it down. And this is the next question. Question is, if x is equals to 4 by 5 whole raised to the power minus 2 divided by 1 by 4 whole raised to the power 2, find the value of x raised to the power minus 1. So how would you find this? So if you see, value of x is how much? 4 by 5 raised to the power minus 2. I can make it positive by writing it as 5 by 4. So power would become positive now. Are you getting this? I have written the reciprocal of the inside one fraction. Okay. Now similarly, this is division here. I can write this as in the form of the multiplication. This is division here, symbol of division here. So if I am writing it as in the form of multiplication, so for that I would have to change this one fraction. It is 1 by 4. So I would be writing it as 4 by 1. Are you getting this? 4 by 1 whole raised to the power 2. Are you getting this? Because I have changed this symbol. So for that I would have to change the reciprocal. I would have to write the reciprocal of this one fraction. Okay. It was 1 by 4. It would become 4 by 1. Power would be same as 2 there. Are you getting this? Good. So now just solve this. 5 raised to the power 5 by 4 whole raised to the power 2 imply 5 raised to the power 2 divided by 4 raised to the power 2. Similarly here also 4 raised to the power 2 divided by 1 raised to the power 2. So I can write it as this and this would cancel each other because both are same. Here we have 5 raised to the power 2 means 5 multiply 5 downside. 1 raised to the power 2 means 1 multiply 1 would remain 1. So answer is x is how much? X is 25. Now you have to find out the value of x raised to the power minus 1. I can write it as x raised to the power minus 1. If it is x raised to the power minus 1, as we have already done, a raised to the power m can be written as a raised to the power minus m. Similarly, a raised to the power minus m can be written as a raised to the power m. Are you getting this? Similarly here also, it is x raised to the power 1. X raised to the power n is equals to 25. So if I am writing x raised to the power minus 1, so I would have to write the reciprocal of this. Are you getting this? It is x raised, nothing is here, it means power is 1 there, no? You have to remember this. It is x raised to the power 1, which is 25. So if I am writing it as x raised to the power minus 1, so I would have to write the reciprocal of this. So it would become 1 by 25. So this would be the value of x raised to the power minus 1. Getting it? Okay, just solve it. Note it down. Now this would be the last question here. Question is find the value of x for which 5 raised to the power 2x divided by 5 raised to the power minus 3 is equals to 5 raised to the power minus 5. Now as I have told you, if the bases are same, if I am writing it like a raised to the power m divided by a raised to the power m, if the bases are same, then powers are going to be subtracted, this that I have already told to you. If it is multiplication here, so powers are going to be added, right? It is division here, so powers are going to be subtracted right now. Okay, so similarly here also base is same, both are having the same base, that is 5, so it implies what? Powers are going to be subtracted because division symbol is there. Okay, so I have to subtract this, so I would be writing it as 5 raised to the power x minus second one is minus 3 there, so I would write it as like this, minus 3. Now this would become equals to 5 raised to the power minus 5. Okay, it implies what? 5 raised to the power 2x minus into minus, minus would go inside, so minus and minus would become how much? Plus. Okay, so minus into minus plus 3, this would be equals to 5 raised to the power minus 5. Now again, if the bases are same, so exponents are also equal then. Okay, this we have already done. If it is a raised to the power m is equals to a raised to the power n, bases are same, so I can write it as m equals to n. Okay, so it implies here m is what? So it 2x plus 3 would be equals to minus 5. Are you getting this? Because base are same, that is why exponents are also equal here then. Now I need to find out the value of x, so this 2x would remain here, 3 would go there, it is plus, would become minus there, so I would be writing it as minus 3, minus 5 minus 3 would be minus 8, so value of x would be how much? This 2 would go there now, this 2 is multiplying here and it would divide there, I would be writing it as minus 8 by 2, so value of x would be how much? Minus 4. This is how you will find out the value of x. So value of x is how much here? It is how much? Minus 4. Are you getting this? Value of x is minus 4. Okay, just note it down. Okay, that is all for today. Would be discussing some more question ahead in the lectures. Till then, stay tuned and keep watching. Thank you. Have a good day.